Hello and welcome to another episode. So today we're going to start off by starting to strip the front end down, ready to remove the engine and all the running gear. At this time I was actually in the process of trying to get one of my other cars ready for an MOT. So in this video it will be Rob doing the work and I just get the credit for the editing. So let's watch.
So, stripping down the front end of the van. First thing I'm going to do is just take the battery out just to be safe. These battery terminals are ruined, but we'll be changing all that anyway, so that's not a problem. Then we're going to pop the grill off, just got a load of screws along the top here. A lot of our clips are broken. There's a couple down here inside the front grille. And then you've got clips on the side. Ours aren't very good, as you might have just been able to tell. That to one side. Next job, I will be tackling the bumper. So, number plate off. The bumper slides into brackets either side, and then that's off. Next we'll tackle the headlights, which I believe I need a 10mm for. Make that 10, not an 11. Unplug any wiring on the back. In order to try and keep things where they belong, just going to be putting any bolts back where they came from, just for when we go to reassemble, we have a rough idea of where things came from. Again, front cross member. Two 13mm bolts across the top. This should lift up and pivot forward. Should. Giving you more room to access the engine bay. Ah. So both those nuts are rounded on the other side. But I just want to disconnect everything here quickly while I think about it. Good. It's there.
With one GoPro dead and the other one not really showing anything useful, it's probably best to bring the video to a close here. With two rounded bolts refusing to come out of the cross member, there wasn't really much to show from here anyway. We had no power tools to persuade them to come out, and we just had hand tools, so there's nothing but a couple of failed attempts to try and ease them out. But on to the next episode. So next time we'll be getting the cross member off and getting the engine out, and of course, as it's a T4, we'll be finding rust holes. So if you're enjoying the video so far, give us a subscribe and perhaps give this video a like, and yeah, feel free to comment.